Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my summer trends lookbook for you all. There are 4 cute looks in here that I can't wait to share, so let's do this. Denim everything is such a big trend this season, so I couldn't resist this denim dress from Miss Selfridge. I think it's so cute, and I went and paired it with a backpack that I wear all the time and a straw hat, and I couldn't resist going for some Vans. I wear these all the time. They are so on trend right now. If you haven't got any, you should definitely get some for summer, as they literally go with everything. This next look is a little bit more dressy, but I'm obsessed with it. I had to use these jeans. I wear them all the time. Cropped flares are so on trend this season, and I think they're really flattering. I decided to go with these orange strappy sandals, which I live in at the moment. They're perfect for summer. Fringe bag, and then I'm all about this top. Tropical prints are a huge trend this season, as are kind of tied strapless tops, and this hits all the marks. For jewellery, I went with my layered jewellery, as I always wear, and then these statement earrings from Claire's Accessories. Yep, this is such a great like lunch, brunch, everyday look. Yellow is totally the colour of the season, so I couldn't resist this cute matching set. Also from Miss Selfridge, I love the button detail. Then for accessories, straw bags are a must have, so I had to pair this one. This is the perfect look for a hot summer's day. White is everywhere right now, and I absolutely love this dress. It's got that total boho feel. It's from Toby, and they have so many cute things right now. For shoes, I decided to keep everything really simple and went with these nude shoes from Nordstrom, and then a kind of metallic-y bag to finish the look. This is such a great like summer party outfit, and I'm obsessed. And that is it, you guys. Let me know in the comments down below which look you like best and what trend you are loving for summer. And I will see you all in my next one. Bye!